India. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Capital city New Delhi. National anthem Janagana Mana written by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali language. National anthem lyrics. National bird Peacock. National animal tiger. National language Hindi. National dance Bharatanatyam. National tree banyan tree. Banyan tree. Largest population speaking language Hindi, second Telugu, third Urdu. Tamil language is also an international language like English because linguistic country like China also has one of the language as Tamil. It is spoken in Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. as one of the official language. Major religions in India: Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikhs, Jain, Buddhism. Difference between religion and caste. Religion is like Hindu, Christian, Muslim, etc. Caste and the Hindu religion are Brahmin, Kshatriya, Shudras, and Vaishyas. India is a secular country. Secularism means all religions are like Hindu, Muslim, Christians, etc. are equal. All language speaking people are equal. India is a democratic country. It is the second largest democratic country in the world. Democratic country means the government is elected by the people, to the people, and for the people. India is the seventh largest country in the world. It is the second largest country in Asia. Brahmaputra is the only river in India that has name a male or male name. Other rivers has female names like Ganga, Kaveri, Yamuna, Krishna, Godavari, etc. River Ganga is the biggest river in India. Perennial rivers. The rivers that flow throughout the year are called perennial rivers. Non-perennial rivers. The rivers that flows only in the rainy season are called non-perennial rivers. North Indian rivers are perennial. They are because in the summer season, snow from the Himalayan mountain melts and flows in the river, and in the rainy season, due to heavy rain, the river flows. South Indian rivers are non-perennial. They flow in the rainy season. Vindhya mountain divides India into South India and North India. In India, five rivers flows from Punjab to Pakistan. River Ganga flows from West Bengal to Bangladesh. Godavari river flows from east to west and falls in the Arabian Sea. Mount Everest is the highest peak in India. It is in Himalayan mountain. Thar Desert in Rajasthan is the biggest desert in India. Seven northeastern states of India are called sister states because they belong to the same species and the languages are easy to adapt from one another. North Indian are called Aryan species. South Indian Dravid species. South Indian Brahmin Aryan species. Northeast Indian Mongolian species like Japanese and Chinese. Mongolian species does not have a upper part of the nose. East and West Indians are Aryan species. Due to geographical area, India is the largest railway track path in the world. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.